friends, it's Kelly, and I have a layout for Christie's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, and I'm using this is for day 5, designed by Jennifer. Don't know how to pronounce her last name, and I heard somebody do it yesterday, and it's really pretty, but the way I would say it would not be pretty because I'm a hick Texan. So, anyway, this is a page kit that I created, and it is actually from a paper pad, a recollection paper pad. And I had one of the sheets that was cut apart, and I actually had 3 pictures of this event that I wanted to scrap, but one of them ends up not working, which is fine because I could create a whole layout of that with that picture using a different collection or something, or the leftovers of this. So anyway, I don't normally ink my edges, but this layout call just said that it needed to have its edges inked. That's just how I felt. And I am using the Distress Oxide color in Uncharted Mariner, which is a really pretty deep blue color. And I'm going to go ahead, because in the sketch, it's kind of really a mixed media kind of sketch. And while I don't feel like I want to, I don't feel like I have to stick very closely to the sketch. I want it to look like it actually was inspired by the sketch. So the blue kind of cloudy background does a lot of the mixed media work for me. And but I just went ahead and used my tear ruler to tear the edges of this kind of a constellation map paper. So I end up with these 2 photos, and I'm going to use one of the cut aparts that says, let your dreams reach the stars. I think I can't see it over there. And I can't remember. Went ahead and I'm going to salvage some of that gold metallic paper, and I'm going to distress my edges even though I've inked them. But this event is my middle daughter is an apartment manager for a company called Weidner, and this was their awards ceremony, and she had won her apartment complex had won lots of awards, and she personally won some awards too for being an awesome manager. And yeah, so I thought this would be a great sentiment, let your dreams reach the stars, and a great title piece. And I often have trouble using the cut apart, so I was pretty happy to get this used. And I'm going to use another cut apart to mat my 2 photos. I wanted to move that title piece down a little bit and realized that if I did, I was going to rip the whole paper. So I just decided to just go with it. So I am matting both of these photos of my middle daughter on this 4x6 cut apart sheet or cut apart card. And now I'm going to start looking through the embellishments that I pulled for this page kit, which are mainly gold elements and some black elements and then some clear elements. And these labels have been in my stash for a long time, so I'm glad to finally get a use for them. And they're just going to be a base for my clusters. So these clear acrylic pieces, they're also adhesive. I want to say these were a Chamel product, and I've just haven't ever found a use for them yet, so I'm glad that I got them on this layout. And then I had a little word strip that was actually chipboard, and I put that at the top under the word shine, and it says you decide your vibe. And then I'm also getting these kind of cream colored photo corners on the photos. So I've been doing really good about getting some of my photo corners used lately. So I had quite a stash, and it's starting to dwindle down. So that's a good thing. And then I'm going to just add my finishing touches. I'm almost done with this layout. Be sure to go check out all the other ladies and gentlemen who are participating in Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. And thank you so much, Christy, for hosting this. This is the 12th time we've done this, so it's an awesome challenge. So that is it. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.